Want to fine-tune your project management skills? Well, today I'm here to give you 5 top tips to take you to the next level so you can become a project management pro. Diving right in with number 1, clearly identify the scope of the project before diving in. What are you here to do? What outcomes do you want to avoid and what do you want to achieve? What does success look like? If you hash these questions out early, you'll find it much easier to stay on track and will have clear visibility if you start to deviate from your goals. Number 2, perform a SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A SWOT analysis identifies each of these potential outcomes. Again, visibility is key to success in project management. You want to minimize the possibility of grey areas that might cause problems later down the line. Number 3, create a risk matrix for your project. A risk matrix provides a simple visual view of all of the potential risks of a project. The final assessment comes in the form of a chart, great for showcasing any problem areas to your exec team clearly and concisely. For detailed instructions on how to create and read a risk matrix, see Chapter 3 of Project Management Essentials for Executive Assistants. Number 4, have a clear and simple method for tracking the progress of all project tasks. We'd recommend you do this using a Gantt chart. Number 5, always perform a full review of your project when it is over. Look at what went well and what lessons have been learned. And of course, do ensure that you're noting down all learnings so you can review them and review them again when your next project kicks off. So there you have it, 5 tips to have your projects running like a well-oiled machine. If you want to gain a deeper insight into project management, we've got just the course for you. Project Management Essentials for Executive Assistants is a simple but effective course in project management tailored specifically for EAs. It allows you to fine-tune the skills that you already have, boosting your confidence as a project leader. We've split the course up into chapters no longer than 10 minutes each, so you can work your way through at your own pace. The skills and tips you'll learn are highly transferable and can be used in a multitude of different corporate environments, from finance to fashion and everything in between. Sign up today and by next week, you could be a project management superstar. Check the link in the video description. Bye for now.